Toronto, Canada, was hit by a severe winter storm last Friday evening. Which affects a large part of this province. Temperatures will drop below freezing in Toronto, Canada, according to the Environment Agency. As a result, heavy snowfall will increase. May turn to rain later in the night. Weather Agency Friday night. A winter storm warning was issued for Toronto. Heavy snowfall is forecast in 11 to 26 areas by Saturday morning. But later, after 11:40 p.m., the alert was withdrawn. Accumulated snow, highways, roads, sidewalks, and parking lots make movement difficult. During periods of heavy snow and ice, viewing power drops to near zero. Wind gusts of up to 72 km/h and heavy snow-reduced visibility. This has resulted in many accidents. Some people are hurt. They were sent home with first aid. Environment Canada.
Ambulance is stuck in the snow and it looks like it ran into a car. So now there's a tow truck that
Тунайча, селедка. Погода не айс, ничего не видно.
Arctic airflow is predicted to be much colder in the region, east of the Great Lakes. A multi-day snowfall was forecast for the area. Excess snowfall brings many problems for children, sick, old people. A winter weather no travel advisory has been announced for the city. The warning was in effect for most of Friday. It has since been withdrawn. Strong gusty winds in the region on Saturday and encountered lightning along the coast, where more than 5,000 houses lost power connection. Severe weather caused panic across Canada, from the coast to the end of the city, terrifying millions of Canadians, with notable winter chills, dangerously cold temperatures for every province and territory, and a blizzard warning was issued.
Hey everybody, as you can see, it's snowing. We were just on our way to the Brandenburger Tor.
Announced by the City of Toronto that it will accumulate 2.6 centimeters of snow, 9 centimeters higher on main roads, and warning signs are placed on sidewalks on residential streets. Some northern parts of the GTA, including Caledon, North York, and Durham region. Also from the shores of Lake Huron in the west to Ottawa in the east. A large part of the province was under a winter storm warning Friday night. Canadian regional governments have warned. 26 regions are expected to receive heavy snow in a relatively short period of time.
I can't with that.
All motorists, they are asked to keep their headlights on. A firm grip on the steering wheel should be maintained due to gusty winds, because the road is slippery due to snow. And keep a safe distance from vehicles on the highway. Additional employees in the transit system provided to the city, and plan to deploy maintenance vehicles. At the same time, manpower has been hired to clear the snow, and checking street signals, switches, and overhead ticks during storms, ensuring power lines at all locations.